Okay, scholars, now it's your turn to try. This is the student practice part of what we just did with Mr. George Baker. Except this time, you're going to be reading a book called Jamaica's Find. In this Nearpod, you're going to listen to the story, and Miss Esther's going to stop it at least 3 times. During that time, you're going to be filling in your document. So let's go ahead and fill this document in first, okay? So let's go ahead and put your name again at the top, just like we did before. Okay? And in the middle, we're going to write the name Jamaica. If you look at the title of the story, it's called Jamaica's Find. The little girl in the story, her name is Jamaica. And she's going to find something that maybe doesn't belong to her in her story. And I want you to really think about what she does in the story and what you can learn from her. So let's go ahead in the middle of our story, write the name Jamaica. Jamaica. Now, you're going to listen to the story on the next slide, and I'm going to pause the video. Remember, I want you to be writing down things that refer or that are about Jamaica. Not really about what she looks like, but maybe some of her thoughts, some of the things that she says, and some of the things that she's doing. What can you learn from her? Remember, don't worry about spelling. Try your best. Or you can simply draw a picture, just like we did on Mr. George Baker's page. Okay? When you get done, the next step is going to be filling out what you have learned from Jamaica and from her actions in this story.